What I wish I knew at my first track day instead of panicking about speed, it was the engine that earned my respect, not me. Today, the K engine, up close. The Jaguar K is all about smooth power. It also shows clever packaging. It's a compact, inline layout designed for balance. Short crank, tight dimensions. So the car handles like a dream. Look here. The intake runners are tuned to boost mid-range torque. That gives effortless roll-on acceleration merging on the highway. The head design, optimized ports for better airflow, cleaner burn, more power, less fuss. Cooling channels, oil pathways, smartly integrated to keep temps stable under stress. Notice the timing system, precise, durable, built for longevity, less maintenance drama, whether you're cruising or carving corners. The K trades raw brutality for refined, usable power, exactly what Jaguar drivers want. Quick recap, balanced layout, tuned intake, efficient head design, rock-solid timing, K engine, predictable performance. That's your 1-minute tour under the bonnet. Want to tear down next?